Hari Om. 9 questions retain what you learn. 9 questions. First question, what is yagna? Second question, do all actions bind me? Third, in which shloka of Gita is this mentioned? Fourth, are there any conditions? Fifth, who is the creator of yagna? Sixth, what is Kamduk? 7. How to get desired objects? 8. When was this created? 9. How can we prosper and also attain highest good? What is yagna? Yagna means sacrifice. In the Vedic period, the grace of the deity was invoked when people came forward to act in a spirit of cooperation and self-dedication for the benefit of all. Do all actions bind me? All actions other than yagna activities bring about bondage upon the doer. In which shloka of Gita is this mentioned? Chapter 3, Shloka 9, the Karma Yoga. Are there any conditions? Yagna activities must be performed without attachment to make them divine. Who is the creator of yagna? In the beginning of creation, the Creator created mankind with yagna. What is Kamduk? It is the mythological cow which yields all desires. How to get desired objects? By acting in the discipline of cooperation and by putting forth in the activity the required amount of non-attachment and spirit of sacrifice. When was this created? With creation, the spirit of sacrifice and the capacity for sacrifice was created. The yagna spirit is seen everywhere, never with even a trace of attachment. How can we prosper and also attain highest good? By invoking the deity in any field of activity who blesses the worker in that field of work. Example, principle of yagna in action. By action do yagna rituals to please deity, that is productive potential for desire fulfillment of all. For farmers, by action sow seeds, do yagna rituals to please rain god for food for all. For any activity, by action do self-dedicated cooperative activity to create favorable conditions for crop of profit. Crowdfunding campaigns, by action do yagna, each contributing his best to bring favorable conditions, that is collections for building university for the nation for benefit of all. Hari Om. To learn more, watch Ranjot Kalra's playlist of videos on Kindle Life by Swami Chinmayananda and or join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are 300 Chinmay Mission centers throughout the world.